Hello everyone, it's Loretta. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to make a table tent for your holiday gatherings. This is my first project of 2019. Today I'm using a Polkadoodles image of these cute gnomes sitting on a tree branch with their gift. This image is going to be stamped with black shadow ink from Nouveau and colored with my Copic markers. I do like to work lightest to darkest most of the time. These images are very sweet, but they don't require a lot of fuss and muss to get them done. You're going to want to color this however you like. Once it's colored, in my case, I took my image to my brother's Scan and Cut, and I let that machine die cut it for me. I'm going to play a little bit of Christmas music, and I will meet you back when it's time to assemble this project. I die cut the base for this table tent using my AccuCut Grand Mark machine. This is a Sizzix Pro die. It's a very large 13 by 13 die, and it will not fit in your traditional die cutting machines. However, I do want to let you know that something like this would be very easy to hand cut. I wanted mine to have some layers, so that pattern paper that I had cut, I just used that and cut down each of my panels by about 1/4 to 1/8 of an inch or so. I should say 1/8 to 1/4 inch. And that made for a great layering effect on my table tent card, or just table tent. And then I used a die that I have in my collection. It's a pine bough. I had trimmed that down. And I used some Zig 2-way glue to apply that up underneath those pine boughs. Once I had those pine boughs in place, I then used some sticky adhesive runner, and I placed the whole thing, pine bough and all, toward the bottom of the card so that it looked like those little gnomes are sitting on that pine bough with just a little bit of it peeking out from underneath their bottoms. I also used some embellishments on my project. I had some really cute snowflake dies. I die cut those out of a shimmery cardstock that I had in my collection, and then I also used a Zig 2-way glue on those to attach them to my project. I die cut the Merry Christmas from a die in my collection. If I remember who makes it, I will leave a link for it all down below. The Polkadoodles images and any other supplies that I use will be linked below the video on YouTube and or on my blog post. The actual blog post for this project will be down below. Once again, these are images from Polkadoodles Designs. I used my Zig 2-way glue pen quite a bit for this project. One of the other things, if I haven't said it already, you're going to want to reinforce the bottom of this little table tent. And to do that, you're just going to want to make sure that there's enough adhesive on that underside to keep everything stable. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share my videos on your social media. Have a great week, everyone. Stay happy and be a blessing. I look forward to seeing you all soon. Bye for now.